Hi, I'm Vannecer and you're watching Customized Close-Up. And today we're going to be diving into some of the customization options that all members have for the Winter Box. All members get to pick their favorite from these options, but select members get to pick their customizations first. Select access is from November 2nd to November 5th, and seasonal members can customize from November 15th to the 18th. But before we start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so you can see spoilers. Let's get into it. First off, we have the Johnathan Adler Fleur ceramic candle. So this candle actually has an average of a 50-hour burn time. That is a lot of time. It also smells like an aquatic breeze and sea salt. It just feels like I'm on the beach. You'll totally get vacay beach vibes. You'll feel like you're on a yacht with your hair flowing in the air, maybe drinking a rosé, just like with your big flowy hat. It'll be an amazing time. So this candle is actually so chic and it goes in any room of your house. And after it's all burnt out, you can actually make it into a cute little storage container because it has a lid. It's just beautiful. Johnathan Adler's designs are so timeless and I cannot wait to have a piece of it in my own home. Next up, we have the Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, and let me tell you, this is the go. This is a daily moisturizer. You can use it day and night. It'll leave your skin feeling so hydrated, so moisturized, and super glowy. So this cream has avocado, jojoba, aloe, and a bunch of antioxidants that would just help your skin look its very best. Somerville is one of the best names in skincare, so you know you're getting a good product with this. Next up, we have the Minkoff Marled Beanie and Arm Warmer set. You've probably already heard of her. She is so well known and she's a huge luxury fashion designer. So let's try on the Arm Warmer set. They're actually fingerless, so you won't have to worry about not being able to text, not being able to do anything because your fingers just go through it. It has a little thumb pocket, which you can fit your thumb through, and look at how fashionable they look. So you can wear these all by themselves, or you can add the beanie to it and make it a whole look. So let's try on the beanie. As you can tell, I have a lot of hair and this beanie was still able to fit, so it's super stretchy, but it still feels nice and tight. So let's get this off and move on to the next product. So next up, we have the R+Co Television Shampoo and Conditioner. So these curls are not easy to take care of, but this shampoo and conditioner just give me the perfect amount of body, shine, strengthening, softening, smoothing. It just makes the curls really soft and bouncy. So let's see what it smells like because I find it really important to have good smelling hair because I don't want to walk around with stinky hair. So let's pour it in. Oh my gosh, that smells so yummy. It has a very romantic smell to it. You know, who doesn't want romantic smelling hair? I smell a little bit of lavender, tangerine, pineapple. Like, why wouldn't you want your hair to smell like just delicious? So this is actually gluten-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, it's vegan, it's cruelty-free, which is all stuff that's just so good for your hair. So now let's look at the shampoo. Let's pour it in. I feel like a scientist whenever I'm doing this. Some of the ingredients in this shampoo are glycerin, babasu seed oil, and juniper berry extract, which are all things that would just help your hair look its very best. And like the name says, it's perfect hair shampoo, so you will have perfect hair. This is definitely a product I would want in my shower, so let's move on to the next. Next up, we have the UnHide Lil Marshmallow blanket. Oh my gosh. Boom! Look at this, it's so big. I was not expecting it to be this big, and I love it. I would love to share, but I'm not going to because it's so cozy and I just love how it feels and I just want to wrap up in it and watch a movie at home. So the best part is that it's actually made out of faux chinchilla. So not only is it perfect for just wrapping up and watching a movie, but it's also a decorative throw so you can put it on a bed, on a chair, and it's just a perfect winter home decor. So those are all the options in this customization category. Don't forget to comment down below and tell me what you're picking, what you love, what your favorite product of this box is. Don't forget the customization dates for select members and all access, and we'll see you next season. Happy holidays!